Alright guys, welcome to this Amazon KDP series. In this series, I'm going to be taking you on how to install keyword research extensions. How to install extensions we are going to be using for keywords title research. So we'll go ahead. Firstly, if you don't have Kiwi browser, go to Google Play Store. Just type in Kiwi browser. That is the best browser as long as Amazon KDP is concerned on smartphone, because it will allow you to use extension. You can't use Chrome for keyword research on smartphone, but you can use it for PC because you can add extensions to Chrome on PC. Or yes, exactly. So if you don't have it, go and download it. Then I have it already. This is it, Kiwi browser. I'm going to open now. Remember, we are here to download extensions. Click on these three dots, new tab. Click on these three dots again. You see extensions. Click on extensions. Then from store, click on from store. So basically, in this, throughout our Amazon, we'll be using 3 Amazon research tool and 1 AI paraphrasing tool, which is Qbot. But for this series, we'll be talking about the research tools, the 3 research tools we are going to be using. So I'll go ahead now to type it. The first tool we are going to be using is AMZ suggestion expander. So I've typed it. We'll click on go. So from here you can see we have 2 suggestion expander. We are interested in the first one, the one with green arrow. Click on it. This is the suggestion expander. This is what it does. Anytime you type in keywords, it will bring out suggestion of related keywords you can use. It's a very good tool. It's a very, very good tool. Suggestion of related keywords you can use that is popping out in Amazon search bar. I hope you get the point. So that is what AMZ, the suggestion expander, is for. You are going to click on add to Chrome. You are going to click on add to Chrome. You are going to click on OK. So now it has added to Chrome. It will require you to fill your email address, maybe name and last name. Then what kind of business are you in? KDP, print on demand. These 3 is enough actually. Then submit. Thanks for registering. You close this page. You close this page. Then we'll go ahead to download another extension. Remember, the first one is AMZ suggestion expander. We go to store again. DS Amazon Quick View. DS Amazon Quick View. That is the second one we are downloading. DS Amazon Quick View. Click on search or go. So the first one is what we are interested in, DS Amazon Quick View. Click on it. So this is what it does. It brings out the bestseller ranking and the category of the bestseller ranking. That is what it brings out. So that is what is used for. Then we go there to add to Chrome. It's checking. Click on OK. Then it has been added to Chrome already. Then we close this page. We go back to our store. We now have the DS Amazon Quick View extended. Go back to our store to download the last extension, which is self publishing titans. Then you search by clicking go. Aha, now we have the self publishing titans. This one is niche finder. It will tell you maybe the book is in high demand. It will also give you average price of the keyword, average page, blah blah. It will give you so many information, even the bestseller ranking, the low, the average, and the high. So that is what this extension does. So you click on it, you add to Chrome, then OK. So now if you don't have an account, it will require you to create a new account, but I have account. I will just log in and pause. I'm going to pause. So I have logged in. As you can see, I'm going to close this page, go back to my extensions. So now I have the AMZ suggestion expander, DS Amazon Quick View, and the Titans. This is the self-publishing Titans. So this is what we are going to do next. After installing the extensions, we are going to go to details. Click on details for this AMZ suggestion expander. We'll scroll down. You see allow in incognito. Then we tick it. We make sure it turns blue. We'll go back. We'll do the same for this quick Titan view. Details. Allowing incognito. We go back. We do the same thing for this DS quick view extended. Details. The reason why we are allowing incognito is because by the time we start doing keyword research, we will have to put our tab in incognito. Please take note of that. So that is that for that. And in the next series, I'm going to explain why we put our new tab in incognito. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next series.